Thank you for your commitment, service to the Indian community in Qatar, all these things. Indian Cultural Center will be surely missing your service, especially in your core area of organizing cultural events in American way.
For women and children and the winner of Mrs. India Universe Beautification 2025. She has led and executed many mega events for several apex bodies over the past 10 years. She has won the She Cube Excellence Award for her contribution in social service and has won the Outstanding Leadership Award from Tamil Magan Awards. She contributed to many charity and benevolent causes. Big round of applause. During her stay in Qatar, Sumaji has influenced many lives, and as a representative from all of us, I'll be calling upon a few community leaders to talk about Sumaji's contribution in Qatar.
Present here for the gathering to bid a favor for Sumaji. Sumaji, we really going to miss you, especially the ICC Women's Forum as well as the Cultural Committee. Let me begin with small lines. Before that, I wanted to take a moment to express heartfelt gratitude for all the encouragement and the support you have given to the commission. And thank you for keeping us united. Thank you so much.
As Cultural Secretary of Indian Cultural Center, Mrs. Suma Mahesh has made such a huge impact on the Indian community with her talent, with her passion, with her dedication and immense contributions in various fields. And it's a great, wonderful gesture on the part of ICC to organize such a fitting farewell. And such a huge August gathering is a testimony for our popularity. And the popularity doesn't come on its own. Popularity comes with contributions, positive attitude and service. On behalf of all Kannadigas, I wish Suma and Mahesh Gowda as a family all the very best in our future endeavor. May God bless you, Suma, with good health, happiness, and continued success wherever you are. Thank you.
And today's point of attraction, Suma Mahesh Gowda. Well, really, I don't know from where to start and where the end, because in this short period, I think it's a witness. More than a celebrity, I can see the photos and other thing in the entrance when I entered this hall. I cannot believe it. I have to say a lot about Suma Mahesh Gowda. The reason being, their journey started in Qatar when I was a president for Karnataka Sangha Qatar. In the beginning, when she joined, being a sportsman, cultural, creativity, of course, no end. And also, being a Kannadiga, one more proud moment, keeping Karnataka Sangha as a premier
For supporting for community wherever they require your service. But some moments I still remember the peak COVID time in your home. But you allowed Mr. Mahesh Gowda to go out for supplying the food kits for the needy people. Like 2-3 months he was out with Subuji and Avnatji and our ICPF team members. All day like 12 to 16 hours. I remember P. was asking me the same question. How the households are allowing their husband to go out for distributing their food kits. So that time I was thinking, it's true. How Mahesh and Suma allowing their husband.
Might come back again and will join in community services. And wish all the best wherever you are, because as we do services here in Qatar, as we get space, the same will happen wherever we are, if the mind is there. So you are going back to Karnataka, there will be a lot to do, and we hope sure that you will do the community service much better than here. Surely one of the best person, one of the best family friend is missing us. And even though we are going back, our relationship will continue.
To bid farewell, I would still say half farewell to our dear colleague, Suma Mahesh Gowda. And of course, sad because hopefully not permanently, but she's leaving Doha. I have, over the past 9 months that I've been here, seen her to be a completely integral part of the socio-cultural landscape of the Indian community here in Doha. And as was said by Manikantan ji, when for a woman who has to juggle so many roles, whether it be family, whether it be business or entrepreneurship or work, and then to take the added responsibility of community work, it is very, very commendable, and I congratulate her for all the work that she does.
Good evening to the dignitaries and off, to His Excellency. To me, to my family, and to the Indian Cultural Center. Thank you so much. It's an emotional evening. Farewells, emotional. They also give you a feel like you're retiring from your stream. But I think diligently they acknowledge all your contributions and the impact that you're going to leave behind. And that really means a lot to us. Community service is a thankless job, and it's not easy to take out so much time from your routine mundane work. But if you're doing it, I think you're blessed, because it teaches you to be humble, it teaches you to be grounded, it keeps you consciously aware to be mindful of the people around you and of the cause that you're working for. And I'm really grateful for all the opportunities that I've got to be able to make a difference in this community leadership. When I stepped foot into Qatar 13 years ago, I silently watched this wonderful human diligently contributing to its benevolence cause. He served Karnataka Sangha. He was the Joint General Secretary at ICBF. He was the General Secretary at ICBF, and he was the Vice President of ICBF. That's none other than my husband and a well-known community leader, Mahesh Gowda. I was amazed to see that someone like him was selflessly contributing to benevolence causes, and he found so much joy in it. And I realized that bug bit me too. When I began my journey to support or take baby steps in Karnataka Sangha, that was in Mr. Manangi's tenure as a president. From then till now, if it wasn't for Mahesh Gowda and his guidance for me, I'm not saying this because he's my husband, I think as a wonderful human and as a leader, I've learned a lot from him, and I've been able to juggle many roles because of his support back home. And I think if I'm able to multitask, I want to give this credit to Mahesh Gowda. Thank you so much. Mr. Manangi, thank you. I started these small footsteps. You're going to make me cry, but I started these baby steps from Karnataka Sangha as an association, and I'm so glad I did that, because even till today I'm identified as a person from Karnataka Sangha, the apex body stream, and I think that's a great identity for me to be a Kannadiga in apex body level. I'm grateful for that, and a big shout out to Karnataka Sangha in general. All of you do not know Mr. Babu Raju, P.N. Babu Raju. Of course, he's a well-known community leader, but he very discreetly runs a university here. It's to bud, to guide all the budding community leaders. Don't try Googling that university, you won't find it. But he very discreetly does that, and he has this lovely eye to identify budding leaders. And I'm really grateful. He found a lot in me, and I'm one of the students from his university. I'm grateful to you, Babuji. He makes a wonderful community leader. Not only does he grow as a leader, but he lets many leaders grow behind him. And whoever you see is making a difference, I think it's a major contribution from Babu Rajanji. Thank you. I hope you really continue shaping many budding leaders. I think the Indian community here needs it. Indian Cultural Center, under the guidance and the leadership of Mr. Manikantanji, is a wonderful president. He's got a great vision. I'm grateful for all the opportunities and guidance he's given me so I could really make a difference in this tenure. In all these 13 years, while I supported many apex bodies and state level based associations, I did that without any position. I just worked. This is the first time in 2023 I took up this position as a head of cultures at the Indian Cultural Center. And I'm glad I did this. And I want to thank Mr. Manikantanji for that. You really are family to me. Thank you. You've really silently done a lot. Thank you so much. Tajubai, KKG, Harishji, thank you. I don't know the words for this. It's really emotional for me. And if I was able to do well as a head of cultures and really leave an impact, I think it's the team that worked with me. My heart goes out to all of you. If it wasn't you all, I don't think I would have really been going back for family responsibilities. I will also be transitioning the business, which is here in Bangalore. And meanwhile, I have a supportive husband who's letting me take my ambitions to contribute to community service back in my constituency in Bangalore. Any work in Bangalore, please think of Suma Mahesh Gowda, and we're always there for helping you, to be there with you. Thank you once again. It really means a lot. This journey has been wonderful. I'm grateful to all the leaders who silently, consciously, and subconsciously really made a difference in guiding me. I met many wonderful people who actually left a lasting impression on my mind. They guided me, they molded me. Today, I take this grace back with me, hoping I'll inspire many more back in Bangalore. Thank you for being with me in this journey. It really means a lot. Thank you.
I need to say that everybody known by name and known by Mahesh Gowda behind the Suma. Suma is behind Mahesh Gowda for all success in community life. As Babuji and Maniji all mentioned, I just want to add on to the few things. She was, I know her, she was a very good throw ball player in Karnataka Sangha in the beginning of 2012, those days. After that, she was very actively participated in all the cultural programs in Karnataka Sangha, Qatar, and many other organizations for ICC and